listen carefully. If you are watching this video right now, there is a 90% chance that you have spent hours on social media today. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and you kept saying, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turned into 1 hour, then 2 hours. Time disappeared. But when you open your book, 10 minutes feel like 2 hours. You feel bored, tired, unfocused. And then you start thinking, maybe I am not smart enough. Stop. You are not the problem. The system is. And today, I am going to expose how social media is secretly controlling your attention. Watch till the end. This will change how you study forever. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Social media companies don't want your time. They want your attention, because attention equals money. The more you watch, the more ads you see, and the more they earn. So they design apps to keep you addicted. Every video is engineered to give you a small emotional reward. Funny video gives happiness. Interesting video creates curiosity. Shocking video creates surprise. Your brain releases dopamine, and dopamine is dangerous when it's uncontrolled. Because dopamine does not make you happy, it makes you want more. That's why you say, just one more video. But your brain never stops at one. Now compare this with studying. Books are slow. Learning requires patience and mental effort, and your brain hates effort. Your brain is designed for survival, not long study sessions. So when you study, your brain tries to escape. It starts thinking about your phone, food, sleep, or entertainment. Not because you are weak, but because your brain wants comfort. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake students make. They try to study in the same environment where they use social media. That is like trying to lose weight while sitting in a bakery. Very difficult. So, what is the solution? First, create study triggers. When you study, keep your mobile far away, not just silent, far away, because sight creates temptation. Second, use deep focus sessions. Study 30 to 40 minutes deeply without checking your phone. Then take a 5 to 10 minute break. Deep focus is more powerful than long study hours. Third, trick your brain. Tell yourself, I will study only 10 minutes. Start studying. After 10 minutes, your brain will already be engaged. Then continue. This is called momentum learning. Fourth, study like you are teaching someone else. Pretend you are explaining the topic to a student, because teaching forces your brain to understand deeply, not just memorize. Now the emotional truth. Students don't fail because they are not intelligent. They fail because they are distracted. Focus is the new intelligence. In the modern world, the student who can control attention will win, not the student who studies the longest. If you are serious about becoming a smarter student, not just a hard-working student, subscribe to Meta Learning Lab, because here we don't chase long study hours. We build powerful learning minds.